The most effective approach to managing stress is by reevaluating our perception of it during times of stress. Our bodies release hormones such as cortisol, adrenaline, and noradrenaline, which increase our heart rate, alertness, and readiness for action. This surge of energy can be interpreted in two ways: as something harmful, leading to an internal conflict, or as an opportunity for growth and accomplishment. Rather than trying to reduce or avoid stress, we can choose to embrace it and view it as a source of motivation and purpose. By reframing our mindset and embracing stress, we can positively impact our physical health, emotional well-being, job satisfaction, and optimistic outlook on the future. Let's remember to support and engage with my channel by liking, subscribing, sharing, and commenting for more valuable content.